A very good evening to the esteemed judges and the organizers. We are Team Tech Nights, and this is our working prototype. We decided to choose the theme space technology, and based on the theme, we did some research. We studied about how astronauts live their daily lives on the International Space Station, and we found out that the ISS travels the Earth every 90 minutes. It completes a revolution around the Earth, which means that there are technically 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets in a day, 24 hours as per the Earth timing. And scientists on and the astronauts and the scientists studying and doing experiments on the ISS, they suffer from insomnia, and they already have a lot of complex tasks that they're supposed to do. And based on more research, we found out that all of the organizations, the space organizations, have one thing on their mind, which is making sure that the astronauts are organized, they're efficient, and they are doing the best to their capabilities. And considering how the environment at the ISS is different from how our body is used to on Earth, the main agenda behind coming up with this working reminder system was that they don't get overwhelmed with the already complex tasks that they have to do, and they can plan out their daily agenda in a very simplified way. So for that, this is the working website, which we have kept in mind while designing that it should be simplified and organized, and smoothly it should function so that they don't have to spend much time in learning how it is going to work. So you can see on your screen that we have a sign up page, which talks about the crew member ID, which they get from the organization. You add in the password, confirm the password, you sign up, and then it shows that your account has been created. Now we also have a login portal for the easy access of their personalized environment and scheduling. We have done that so that they feel a sense of individuality for themselves, and they know that they can plan out their personal things as well as keep their department and specialization separately from the rest of the crew. You can see that we have a login. After from the login page, we are at the add a task page. You can see there's a task title wherein you can add in what kind of to-do list, what to-do element you have to add in, or what reminder you need. You have a date option wherein you can add what day or what date your task is supposed to be executed. Because as everyone knows, all of the astronauts they have to manage the whole space station, from doing spacewalks to making sure all the engines are working, everything. So it's very important that they have an organized schedule and an easy navigable schedule. You can also add in your task description so that you know what the task is about. And you can add in the task, as you can see on your screen. You have the serial number, the title, description. You also have a time left, which has a reverse clock going on to tell you that your next task is scheduled at, suppose, 3 days, 7 hours, 39 minutes. Like it keeps on going so that they, in their mind, it's registered that, yes, there's something going on which they have to attend to after this time. You can also delete your element or the to-do list. Suppose if you don't need this, and as you can see, it's deleted. Along with that, we have also planned out a calendar. Now, because all of the teammates, all of the crew members have to work together. And one specific thing we found out that all of the astronauts have their agendas and missions planned out 1 year in advance through the OSTP model, which is the onboard short-term planning. So this calendar will show them, the whole crew members, okay, as a crew, as a whole team, you have to do certain tasks which are common to everyone. So they will be displayed here. And this calendar is also editable. So you can add in your personal, you can add in your personal elements. Suppose there's someone's birthday you might have to wish on Earth, or any other task, maybe exercising or something else. So you can have a monthly planner as well as a daily to-do planner. So this is our basic idea. We also are currently working on setting up the reminder pop-ups, because that's like a very important part. So we were working on it, but we are, just giving you a working idea. The tech stack which we've used for this, the front end part, which you can see, is we've used HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the front end designing. And for the back end, we have PHP and PHP MyAdmin, which you can see. Like I request my teammate to show the backend portion. Yeah, so this is PHP MyAdmin. It contains the backup database. so whatever the login credentials they input or anything they input, their to-do list, everything. So there's a stored backup, which is coordinating with the front end portion. So this was our working prototype, and our abstract solution all in all is based in the fact that the astronauts are highly functioning and very efficient people. They are humans at the end of the day, and they could get overwhelmed mentally, and even due to the fact that they're living in a microgravity environment. So our main agenda was for them to have a healthy mental, physical life, and a smooth functioning day on the ISS. Keeping in mind the progress, I would suggest it's 60 to 70% as of now. We have some long-term planning with our prototype, but for now we are working on adding the pop-ups and making sure the whole website's working, smoothly. That's all for today. Thank you.